Open your Google profile. Data and personalization. Under that, go to Google Dashboard. Click here. Now click on Download Data. Now select the categories. Next step, set the frequency and file type. Click here. Export in progress. Click on Download. And there you go, all your YouTube profile and channel data is downloaded. From your subscriptions to your playlists, everything. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.